Welcome back. This is how to see if your PC is overheating and how to fix it. So, a common signs includes sudden shutdowns, loud fans, lag, or random crashes. So, you could use free tools like HW Monitor, Core Temp, or MSI Afterburner, and the CPU should generally stay under 80C and GPU under 85C under heavy load. Now, you could also clean the inside. So, dust buildup is the number one cause of overheating. So, just simply power off your computer, open the case, and gently clean the fans, the vents, and the heat sinks with compressed air. Another thing is ensure the cables don't block the fans, and you could also add extra case fans or upgrade to better cooling if needed so you could improve the airflow. Now, if your PC is still hot, the CPU or GPU thermal paste may be dried out, so just simply reapply if years have been passed. I hope this video helped you out. Thanks for watching.